Dear students, in the earlier chapter we have discussed about why did the people of Nepal want a new constitution. I have discussed each and everything. So now today we are discussing about the second purpose of the constitution. Now let us discuss. The second important purpose of the constitution is to define the nature of a country's political system. See, for example, earlier in the Nepal, the constitution that has been ruled only by the king and his council of ministers. In countries that have adopted a democratic form of government or polity. So here in earlier they have been adopted the democratic form, but now we are discussing about the polity. The meaning of polity, it is nothing but a society that has organized political structure. That is India. If we can say that India is a democratic polity. The constitution plays a crucial role in laying out certain important guidelines that government decision making with this society. So here, what is the meaning of crucial? Crucial, it is nothing but involving an extremely important decision or as a result. So here these people, they has to guidelines about whatever they have been decision making with these societies. Whatever they have been decision discuss, they have to discuss in front of the societies. In a democracy, we choose our leaders so that they can exercise power responsibly on our behalf. So we have to choose the leader who we can share our problems, or we can discuss, and he can exercise all his powers. However, there is always the possibility that these leaders might misuse their authority, and the constitution usually provides safeguard against this. Sometimes even the leaders, those who we have been selected, even sometimes hope so they have to be used the misusing of these powers. See here, constitutional safeguards. It is nothing but provided by US Constitution in the 4th, 5th and 6th Amendment in regard of the criminal justice system are implemented to protect against indiscriminate application or criminal laws. So what is the meaning of misuse? Misuse, it is nothing but to use something in a wrong way for a wrong purposes. This misuse of authority can result in gross injustice, as we can demonstrate in the class. So here in this picture we have see here the first question: in what way is the class monitor misusing his power? See beta, sometimes even the teacher used to go outside for some important work. So on that time, the teacher used to say one of the student to mind the class. Okay, sometimes the student monitor can be very serious, or sometimes even hope so he can also misuse his power. So here in this book, see here, in what way in the class monitor misusing his power? In the first, see here, Suresh, he is the class monitor. So the monitor name is Suresh. He is a bully. His classmates are not too fond of him. MRS Rao, the class teacher, has to leave the class for some urgent work. She asks Suresh to mind the class, and Suresh start picking on Anil. So without any reason, he had start picking off Anil. So he said to him that when ma'am comes, I will report him. So Anil, today I am going to report you to MRS Rao. So again Anil asked the question about what I have done. It means without mistake, without anything, why you have to report me to the ma'am. See, when Amaras returns to the class, when the ma'am came in the classroom, ma'am, while you were away, Anil kept talking loudly and disturbing the class. He would not listen to me. He had, without any reason, he simply said to the ma'am that he was disturbing the class and not listen to him. So, I have reported to you. Again, the question has been asked to Anil. The ma'am asked, Anil, you will have to stay back after the school today and write, I will not disobey in class monitor 100 times. So without any reason, ma'am given a punishment to the Anil that after the school you will stay here and you will write 100 times that I won't disturb the class monitors. But ma'am, I did not do anything. So the Anil said that, ma'am, I did not done anything. Thank you.